All the way in Blue Springs, man. We gotta knock these damn studs out. We got the new studs over here. We're gonna put them. He said he needed a tie rod installed also, so we're gonna go ahead and replace those. It's bad. Y'all see me, I'm in my old male suit. Yeah, I was a male, man. Don't get it twisted. All right, you need a T55. Here we have one. Now that I got it off, we're gonna just replace the studs. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here in the hub back. Spin all the way around. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the studs in there and then just bang them. All right, see that, peeps? Need to push it on there some more, but see that? Try to clean the surface before anything, man. I like to lube my parts up, that way it can be a better fitting. New parts out of tie rod. Go ahead and install this one now. Finishing up the passenger side right now, and we'll be done.